He's scared of the police. He's scared of the Pope. No, that's not even.
It's an ambulance.
Go on, good sir. Attend to them injuries. Yes, yes, yes. I shouldn't be following. I'm not going to follow close. I'm going to pull back.
In front now.
Yep.
Natural born leader.
Oh, look, let's make a joke. Make a joke, quickly. It's time to make a joke.
You want to look at my top? You know you want to.
You can go ahead.
Oh, thank you, you're so kind. Oh, I knew you were going to do that, you dick.
Yeah, the stabilization on that GoPro is amazing.
Yeah?
Yeah. Maybe a little too good. I don't know.
Really? Did it just make it look too smooth?
Yeah, I was like hitting speed bumps hard, and on the footage it showed nothing.
So it's like you made a noise because it hurt you, but the video doesn't.
Yeah, the video didn't. Yeah, it just made me look like I was playing it up. Fucking.
Hello. Oh, sorry, he's telling us to slow down.
What for?
I think there might be police up ahead.
Oh, okay. I see what he means now.
Yeah. See, he was a kind biker. He saved us.
Yay.
Biker friends, yay! There is no shame here. See, this road doesn't have a very good crash buffer on each side.
No.
It's literally a rock and a hard place.
Yeah. Reviewing the crash protection.
No.
Reviewing the crash features.
I'm gonna ride like this.
I'm still paranoid the train's coming, because who knows when the gate's having a bad day and...
I don't know, I'm just having a bad day. You kept me up late last night.
Reigate Road.
Oh, okay. Cool. I can do that. Your dirty van is boring me now. I was here the other day.
Hey. What were you doing here?
Public powers.
I just heard there's a popular dog in this spot.
Should we go?
I heard a dogging story once, a really bad one. I'm sure I might have told you.
Okay, well tell me again, and I can tell you if you told me.
So a guy was dogging with a condom. He was banging the chick. He got up against the car, as you do, and then he finished. He'd done his business. He's got his little audience. He's finished his business.
Yeah.
And then he threw the condom away, and a random guy came up, picked up the condom, and drank it. Oh man, I'd feel so violated.
What, if you did that and then someone came and drank your cup?
Yeah, I'd feel so violated.
Yeah, but what if you did tell about it? What if you trust it and you just...
It's part of me. I know I discard it. It's like somebody going through your rubbish, and it's like there's still your stuff in there. You've discarded it, but it's still your stuff.